Presenting Bosch 7 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine with inbuilt heater in the color silver. This washing machine comes with 1200 RPM for higher spin speed and faster drying time. The volt check deals with power fluctuation and interruptions, resuming the wash cycle from the last point once the power is back. This washing machine comes with Vario drum, which is specially designed to protect your delicate fabrics with foam detection system. It also comes with eco-silence drive motor for low noise level. The anti-vibration design of this washing machine provides stable performance. The active water function senses the laundry weight automatically and adjusts the water level. This washing machine also has child lock so that children cannot change the setting. With the drum clean feature, you can remove lint and other toxic residue from the drum. You can add or remove laundry during an ongoing cycle with the reload function. This comes with 2 years warranty on product and 10 years warranty on motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10 days return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.